Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change PSD format to PDF in Photopea software. So get started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see change PSD format to PDF. Now you can see, now you going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now we find your PSD format. Now select, now click from PSD file. Now click for open option. That it's, now you can see open the PSD file, this convert PDF. Now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from say export as option. Now click from PDF option. Now you can see, then you show the name and format, this sense. Now PDF, now pixel, then you choose from, now I choose from save option. That it's, now you can see change PSD format to PDF in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for